In this video, we are going to review Crow AI versus N8N. Which one is the best? Let's break them down so you can decide which one fits your needs best. First up, Crow AI. It's a cutting-edge framework designed to manage and coordinate autonomous AI agents. Think of it as the brain behind multi-agent collaboration. You can define agent roles, memory, tools, and have them work together in real time on complex tasks. It's perfect for people building intelligent systems that require reasoning, planning, and decision making beyond simple automation. Now, let's talk about N8N. So, N8N is a low code, powerful workflow automation tool. If you have ever used Zapier or Make, this is like the open source version. But with more control, it connects apps, triggers actions, and automates tasks across platforms. And with AI nodes now built in, you can also include ChatGPT. So, which is the best? Choose Crew AI if you are building AI powered apps or agents that need collaboration, and choose N8N if you want to automate tasks and connect tools.